This has been used as a scarecrow to suffocate dissent in this country. If you knew the hundreds of young men detained in various prisons, and those are the lucky ones who did not die, detained in various prisons for wearing a red beret, for wearing a red overall, and so on and so forth. So far, stop trying. We pray for those that have suffered injustice in the hands of the court-martial. We have consistently, persistently, and perennially been describing this as a kangaroo outfit, as a kangaroo establishment.
It's not a win for me, Michael Kabaziguruka. It is a win for the people of Uganda. It is a win for the democracy-seeking forces in this country, because the GCM has hitherto been used as a tool to fight anyone. I want to thank my legal team, led by the able Honorable Medal Lubega Segona, Councillor Samuel Muyizi, Councillor Laka, and of course the Lord Mayor, Salong Elias Lukwago, for the battle that they fought so hard to reach here today.
Many have been tried and they have been subjected to the unfair processes before this outfit that has been holding out as a court of law. Well, we appreciate the Supreme Court for putting it out clearly that this is not a court of law. It is going to go a long way in shaping the constitutional history, in shaping the constitutional development in our country. And it is going to go further, a mileage, to shape, to restore the respect of the Constitutional Court, the respect of our judges, and the respect of the Supreme Court. Many people have started losing hope in the delays, in so many things, and the interpretations that come from this court, especially on this very subject, because we've had over 10 contradicting.
We are glad that the Supreme Court has listened to the voices of Ugandans over time, because the people of Uganda have spoken again and again, and it's important that when people speak, the courts get to listen. We are also glad that it's not just civilians that have benefited from this, but even serving military officers, because a number of them have been persecuted through the General Court-Martial, and they had no recourse anywhere. They could not appeal.
The Supreme Court today has made a landmark victory. I must call it a victory, because all along we have been coming to court with already answered questions as to what will happen in court. But we usually respect court and not respect decisions. But we believe in the decisions, and now we respect the decisions taken by the Supreme Court. We are very, very delighted. As people who agitate for change, following the pronouncement of the Supreme Court, we are moving straight away to march in the military barracks to pick our people, because the pronouncement is immediate release of all people affected by the General Court-Martial.
Declared unconstitutional.
And any continuous...
So it's not possible, because now
they don't even have the powers
they don't have powers to convene
again. They have been disbanded.
Exactly. So literally.
And any detention now is illegal.
In effect, the court has been disbanded.